So, how many hours a week do you spend on the internet, including email?
Maybe 35, 40 hours.
Alrighty. How do you spend your time? Emailing, researching, web surfing, Facebook, or other social networks?
Probably about equal, except for a little less Facebook.
Alrighty. Do you have a favorite website?
I'm a fan of break.com.
What CS or computer-based classes have you taken prior?
I have taken CS 121. I'm taking CS 08. I'm taking 124 and CS 21 too. I'm a CS major.
Alright, yeah. Alrighty, we're looking at the homepage here. What are your first impressions of the site so far?
My first impressions, it's got very, very wide borders, pretty much. And it looks good. I like how it's centered. I like the nice pictures up top. Nothing's sticking out too much. I don't know, it looks good.
A scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate it so far, just with the homepage?
Probably a 6 or 7.
Alrighty. For now, don't click on anything, but what would you think to click on first? Just what would come to your attention first when you open this website?
Well, first, I'd probably click on the home button. I'd assume that this would be the home page, but I click on the home page just to be sure. And then after that, I'd think to click on the About Us link just to find out what this website's about at all.
Alrighty. Alright, I'm going to walk you just through a scenario test just to see how you react to different things. So for now, can you figure out what a cooperative research unit does or where they are?
I'd maybe click on frequently asked questions. It doesn't look like.
So your figure's only going from 0 to 1. You're putting it 5, 5.
Well. I guess this might tell kind of what they have or what they do. I guess I might click on.
That's not your picture.
Yeah, it's not.
Okay. So.
About Us might have something too. Yeah, I guess it tells their mission.
Go into your code.
2 to 5 scientists, 1 to 2 administrative specialists.
Yeah, don't worry about it. It's not in the stuff we need to do.
Conduct research on a wide variety of natural resource topics.
Yep. Alrighty, so how would you find out what they do to help the community?
Let's.
You want to delete those, and you want to.
I'd probably click on outreach, and
then that's not all. There's another stuff. How's your stuff going down?
I guess it tells a bunch of outreach activities that they do down here. Some programs.
One thing that might be helpful
I guess
is
you can see all.
set all those weights to a really short period of time. Okay. And then when you're done with your program,
I mean, does it matter? Does it have to?
I'd say that'd probably be my best bet to go to outreach to find that.
For the ones where she tells you
Right,
a number.
some of them specify, but I mean.
Can you find a specific event that they have done recently?
Recently?
Okay.
2010.
So it works, right?
No. I think it's
Let's see, I went to history. I guess that's
it means
not very recent history, so I'd probably go back to outreach, or maybe research. I'd try research. Active projects. I guess there's a whole bunch here.
There's 3 open.
And I guess I'd look through this and see if anything looks interesting.
Are there any work options with the co-op research units at the moment?
I'd probably click on job opportunities, and that looks like a no.
All of this stuff that's getting spit out,
Good call.
we'll want to get rid of that.
Just so far, how credible does the website look like? Would you believe that it's a government-funded organization?
Put semicolons in here, you
Um,
know what I'm saying? Just to make it
I might believe it since it
Because
looks kind
what
of
the semicolon does is
simple
it tells
and
us
it's not
how
too
long you're
flashy.
working
Um,
And this time we got less stuff.
and it's really
Like,
kind
there's
of
still
focused
some
on the
we can
research.
do that later.
And
Now, subscripted
I don't know, I guess
assignment
I'd look.
dimension mismatch.
I could look through
The
maybe
problem
some of the
is-
research.
Okay, comment out number 5 and then run it again, so we can see it. 'Cause I think it's
Or
in
maybe
5.
some of the people who are involved in it.
Okay. So, the problem's in number 5.
Well, it says
And what it's saying
these are all
is assignment dimension
.gov and it
mismatch.
says federal staff,
The
so
assignment is whenever you
I'd say
use
that
the
looks
website,
pretty
you're signing
pretty
something
good
like
too,
what's
pretty
on the left.
Yep.
official.
And same with the
So
dimension.
pretend you just saw a conference by a scientist
And
that interested you.
because-
How would you go about finding more information on this conference or papers that he referenced in his speech?
Because,
Um,
well, it's true. For one, you change the dimensions of pick 2 up here.
well, I guess I could try clicking on
Right? So
this,
typic looks
and I guess see
typic
their
looks like the
publications
same-
or I can see their current project. Maybe
Instead of pick
I'd
2,
think that maybe
just
they'd
look
have
right
whatever
next
their
to it.
conference was on under their
This
name.
one's- wait,
But
this
maybe
one's
if
good,
not,
this one. I think
maybe
this one's
they'd
good, right?
have like the
Yeah, so this
the
is what we
minutes
want.
under
We want
documents
you to
or
go
something
for
like that. I
so
guess
we should
not.
maybe use-
But
I don't remember, what did you call it?
yeah, I'd say I'd probably go to people and
So we
search
should
them by
pick-
their name if I knew their name.